from LabVIEW Programming. In this video, I will show you how can we program and how can we take data from n channel and n sample. In this program, by using DAQmx API, we'll try to acquire n channel data with n sample. Let's start. So first of all, we'll see what is the difference between single channel and how we can use single channel and one channel, how we can call. For that, first is n channel and sample, and second is first is one channel and sample, and second is n channel and sample. So this one now, the physical channel, here you can see the physical channel IO. Okay, so physical channel, the tag is IO, device 1, day 1, analog input 1. So here if we'll take day 1 analog input 1, so it is single channel, and sample mode is the finite sample. Here finite sample means n sample. Okay, here finite sample means n sample. So again, in the first condition, one channel one sample, physical channel is dev analog input 1. In the n channel n sample, now you can see here how I have mentioned in this thicker physical channel. So in this physical channel, I have mentioned the dev device 1 slash io0 dot io0 column 3. Okay, so it means it will take 4 channel, io0, io1, io2, io3. Okay, 4 channel, and for that sample mode is again finite sample. Here finite n channel or n sample. So n channel means, and what is the n sample? So in one channel one sample, so channel 1, you know very well, channel 1 and sample is equal to 1000 here, but in this case channel is 4. So our physical channel, as per the ability of our channel, we can take 1 channel, 2 channel, 3 channel, 4 channel, 7 channel, 8 channel. Okay, and the sample is 1000. Again, let's start and see how can we write the program and how can we take the n channel with n sample. Now come into the LabVIEW and come to the block diagram front panel first. Okay, come to the numeric, take max, sorry, I think there's some problem. Come into the front panel, right click, take numeric and max. Okay, maximum input range, and second one is the minimum input range, min, minimum input range, min. Now after that, number of sample, this one is for number of number of sample, ple, number of sample. And now take for sampling rate, rate, rate here. Okay, now come and take one waveform graph. Okay, let's come into the block diagram. We'll try to design our API code. If you want to know what is the difference between API code and task-based code, so you can follow my previous video. Right click, come here, right click in block diagram, come to the function palette. Inside the function palette, if you will scroll, then second palette is the measurement. Inside the measurement IO, there is first one is the NI DAQmx. Right click NI DAQmx, and now take create channel. After that, timing, start, read, stop, and clear. Okay, let's connect all those things. Great. Connect all, label, control A, control U. Okay, now right after that, here first one is the maximum value, so connect with the maximum. Second one minimum, second one is the minimum, so connect with the minimum. Number of sample is here, sample mode, number of sample is here, so we can connect number of sample. Clean up wire, and again we'll connect the number of sample from this place form. We'll connect with the rate here. Okay, so now right click here, create, control. Now come here, come into the read section, and read section analog multiple channel, multiple signal waveform. Right, now make a connection like this, come into the front panel. Okay, so max value is 10, minimum value is -10. Okay, we'll try to acquire voltage right now, and the sample will be the 1000, and the sampling rate will be the 1000. Okay, let's try to check the output. Now click here and device 0, okay, device 1, and log input 1, and click. So here we'll see one graph is present. Okay, one signal is present for one channel. So now you can see there device, okay, one AI, so one channel is present. Now how can we write, how can we write take multiple channels? To take multiple channel, click on the colon button and write 4. So 0 1 2 3 4, or either 0 1 2 3 4 5. Here we'll take 4 channel, 5 channel. Okay, run. So here you can see analog 0, analog 1, analog 2, analog 3, analog 4. There are 4 channel, 4 different datas are present. Okay, so like this we can take our 4 different channels, 4 different datas. Okay, let's check again. Okay, so there is 4 different channel. Nice. We can see all these different channel, we can see all these different channel, all those data in our waveform plot. So for that, here we are taking the area of waveform. So we are taking the area of waveform. For that, minimize this thing, right click, come to the array, take array, right click, come to the waveform, place inside the waveform. Okay, now come to the block diagram, create into indicator, click here. Nice. Come to the front panel, run. So now you can see here 1 2 3 4. Okay, so there are four waveform are present in the forms of array. So this is the array of the cluster, but cluster is the combination of timestamp del t, that is the numeric, and one array. So how can we see? So for that, let's arrange. Okay, nice. Now you can see the all 4 and 5 channel. How can we extract one single channel from this 4 channel? So it is very easy. Come into the block diagram, drag the size, control A, control U, press. Okay, for a better performance, sorry, connect error with the error. Okay, now right click, come to the array, take index array, connect with this, and take a control index value. Okay, now according to that, you can check the output of waveform. Okay, you can check the output of the waveform. Wait, come to the front panel. Sorry for that. Waveform, place here your waveform, connect this, right click, change into indicator, and connect. So it is index array function. So in this index array functions, if you will run, so now you can see the value for first array. If you'll change, so you will change, see the value for second array, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, let's try to differentiate and insert. Let's try to differentiate and insert. Okay, how can we differentiate and insert? So here, okay, I am taking one multiplication function, come into the multiply, right click, create constant, is 2, give the output, nice, control A, control U, so it will look different now. Delete this function. After that, control B. So here again, come and insert into array or replace subset. So there is anything to replace? Yes, we can replace. So this is my input. Okay, insert and replace one with the same index. Okay, replace index with the same for both. Now connect and check the output. Now you will see the magic. Run. So now you can see the fourth one. The fourth one signal is amplified 2 times. Okay. fifth one is the amplified two times, because index is 4, so the signal is fifth one, not fourth. Okay, now if I will run and if I will change the fourth, if I will change the 3, so third number signal, that the sky color signal has the amplified two times. So thank you for watching this video, and you can design your program like this.